Anong sikreto po ng strong relationship?
I think the strongest foundation in a relationship is really trust. Diba? Kasi dun mo talaga yung parang kahit anong gagawin, kahit saan pupunta, kahit sino kasama, you're at peace kasi nga you have trust and faith on your partner. So, for me, yun yung pinakamahalaga kasi kapag wala yun, edi wala din yung relationship, hindi din magtatagal. So, yun.
You get to discover new things about each other.
Oo naman, and siguro everyday naman we get to discover hindi lang with your partner, syempre with yourself rin. And I think being with my partner naman, ang dami pa naming ma-experience at matutunan.